she feels like you love her. Another person thinks that you love her, and then you don't like her. You have to tell her the truth. Actually, I am sorry about this. I made a mess. You have to accept that it is your fault, not their fault. Okay, that is really the number one thing. Accept that you are the fault in that situation, and you don't have power to control it, but you found the good woman that you believe she is the good woman for you, that you have feelings for her and not feelings for that woman, so that she can move on, and you must really feel sorry. You must really apologize if it's necessary. If we are a people really, like, we have to apologize, not to blame that oh, because you are flirting with me, I'm also with you because you're flirting with me. That's the word of the man, that oh, you're flirting with me, that's why I respect you, ganoon ba. Alam nyo na yung mga boys, the world is running on money. I like to run on my own money. Vicky, yes, because the world is the world is really controlled by money, diba? We cannot live without money, and that is why people work hard so much. Work hard, and some people, they don't need to work hard. The money just comes to their hands easily without working on it. Speaking of that, so kung may Pilipina ka, and then of course you work hard and you can provide for your Filipina, and then that is good. That is good, because it is only very blessed that you have a work and you can provide for your Filipina. Ganoon lang yun. Yung pera, yung thumbnail kanina. Me too, for easy money. Dentures and mouthwash. Hey everyone, from Henry. Meron talaga ako dito si Lilibet, actually, true lang, sa pagdating, when I went back to Philippines last August, ayan, may sponsor ako sa pagpa-dentures ko, and it was so rushing. Punta ko sa Davao City, and then, ito yung pinakamura na dentures. Tapos, yun na, pagdating ko sa Singapore, natanggal, kumain lang ako ng beef curry. I eat beef curry, and oh my goodness, suddenly, akala ko ano ba yung gahi-gahi. Yun na, natanggal na. So that is why hindi na ako masyadong makapag-smile. It really affects me. It really affects if you don't have a nice teeth, it affects your smiles. It makes you conscious. Parang nagiging ka na conscious about yourself. But if you have someone in your life that that person loves you, it doesn't matter. You will feel confident about it. Buti na lang, and then it will encourage you. That person will encourage you to do things that you feel you are so afraid to do, things you are so shy to do things, to face that, diba? From Mrs. Libet, when I saw men and women have house rotten teeth, especially if the single, it's shown there. Yeah, that is something really very important talaga. Teeth is very important. That is why they said, the dentist said, every 6 months must check. You have so much money, and then you cannot taking care of your teeth. You buy LB bags, but you cannot taking care of your teeth. You have a Botox, you have whitening products for your skin, but your teeth, how much is the cleaning of the teeth? It's only 900 per tooth in the Philippines, because yeah, that was before. Me and my kids, binayaran tag 900 per tooth. And then, kasi marami, so parang naka-discount yun ng 850. Dental health can be difficult. Yeah, very difficult, really. You will feel like it's okay until it happens to you that, oh my goodness, I am so, yung nagsisisi ako. I'm so, that I ignore those things like before. So, really, because if already one is broken, spoiled, it will para bang tawag dito, nagkatay-katay siya ba, it will affect the others. It's like a disease. It will rot in all. So that's why you need to bunot it. You have to take it out. Dental health can be difficult. Lilibet, hello kiss. Alma, good afternoon.